How to upload video from CapCut to Facebook. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can upload video from CapCut to Facebook. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your CapCut. Make sure you're logged in into your account. After you open up your CapCut, what you'll need to do is start a project or simply go to any project on your draft. So after you're on that project, you'll then need to do some edits. Just do the edits whichever you'd like. And after you're done with the edit, make sure this is on video. Let me change this to video first. And after doing that, tap on the export button on the top right corner. It might play some ad if you're not on the premium version of CapCut. So if you're not using the premium, just watch the 30-second ad and the export should begin. After the export completes, you'll find this share option where you can share to Facebook. So tap on this Facebook option, then tap on OK or open, and you will be able to share this to your feed on your Facebook. So just type in the caption, whatever you want, then tap on post. After you tap on post, the post should begin. So there you can see shared on Facebook, it's done. So that's one way of posting or sharing your CapCut video to your Facebook. The other way is by simply posting what you've saved on your gallery. So after exporting, your video will directly get saved to your gallery, which you can paste or which you can share from post right here. Tap on photos or videos, then tap on this post, then tap on next, then type in something, whatever you want, then tap on post. And that's the second way you can share this on your Facebook. And that's basically how you do this, guys. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.